Hey, it's Jim Parr here, and we're going to deep dive on how you can make $100 to $200 per day and even more than that. So you can see dollars like this coming in every single day, every single month. And not only that, you can also target over 19,000 cities in the US. And what we do, we're going to go through how you do this, how you look at a map, how you detail step by step, target, massage therapy businesses, roofing, electric, different HVAC companies in these Google Maps, plumbers. There's so many different service businesses out there that you can target and offer one small little thing to them. And it will be so valuable to these companies that they'll keep paying you month after month after month because they'll understand the worth of it. So you'll charge anywhere from $150 to $300 a month for the service. And we're going to walk through step by step. I'm going to give you my free course. If you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel, we're also going to give you a free checklist, and there's going to be a link that we'll send you. You get that free checklist once you like, subscribe, and comment. And there's no course here. We're going to give you everything transparent, step by step, and show you how it's done. So let's go ahead and dive in and see how you could make up to $10,000 a month, and we'll break that down for you at the end of this video. So let's look at who you're going to be targeting, how this is done. So let's put it this way. When you are looking for service, let's just say it's a roofing service, you're looking to have your house reshingled, you can click in here. You might call the top 3 companies here. It's usually 3 businesses listed. This is a sponsored ad here, so they pay for the spot. But let's just say that you called Music City Roofers, you called this guy, and you couldn't get a hold of them. You're going to continue running down this business, and I just clicked on more businesses, and you're going to see all these different businesses that are listed, and you're going to keep calling until you get one. Now, what if you could provide a service that if you called a business and they did not answer, that they text you right back with a message, hey, this is Archway Roofing. Sorry we missed your call. We'll get right back to you with a text message. So this is called missed call text back. That is the service that you're going to be offering to these customers or these businesses for $150 to $300 a month. And the thing is, there is hundreds of businesses that you can offer this to. We're just looking at Nashville in the metropolitan area for roofing, and you can see all these businesses listed. And if we zoom in further, there will be more and more roofing companies that have a smaller listing that start popping up. And so all you have to do is set this up, and it's very simple. It doesn't take any web design. It doesn't take anything. And we're going to walk you through how that's done. But then you just connect that for this business to their business and offer this service. And what happens is they'll say, well, you're doing such a great job on this. Can you do this for us? You build trust with these companies. And that's how you build up a tenfold business and make more and more money off these companies. So let's show you how this is done and how simple it is. Okay, we're inside the software. We're going to give you a 30-day absolutely free trial, no credit card required, to start using the software, start building this service for businesses right away, so that you can pay for the software and pay above and beyond it. Obviously, start making money. And there's a link below. So remember, like, comment, subscribe, and there's going to be a link. We'll send you our free software, our free checklist, everything you need to know, including a masterclass for you to learn this software very quickly. But I'm going to show you how easy it is to set this up for a client. So let's just say Joe's Landscape just signed up. All we do is get him on the phone. We have him connect to his Google business. We connect it right here by clicking this. That's it. If he wants Facebook Messenger included in it so that he can see conversations coming in, we can also click this button too, but it's not required. And then all we do is click send link, and that sends him a link to download the app for his iPhone or Android. And then he can see his leads coming in, see the messages coming in right away when he gets a missed call from his phone number on his Google business. He doesn't have to change his phone number. He doesn't have to do anything like that. And then from there, he simply goes into, or you simply go into settings here, and we click on this, and we go under business profile, and we come all the ways down to here. We click this. It's just a few clicks. Okay, and then we go into voicemail missed call text back. That's what we said. So now we can send them a voicemail. Hey, we got your message. So it'll send them a voicemail that we're going to text you right now. And then we simply check this if it's unchecked and enable it. And then we can type in our own custom message here by clicking customize. And then we can send a test to make sure it works. And we can say, hey, this is so-and-so Landscape. Just saw we missed a call from you. How can we help? So that's going to trigger basically a message through text, and looks like he didn't even miss a beat. So it goes automatically. The minute they hang up the phone, boom, that text goes out. So there's no missing a beat. And if you want to charge $150 to $300 a month for the service, you can do that. And it's that simple. And then from there, if you want to, let's just say that you're setting up a massage therapy business and they're always with the client because it's 30-minute to an hour massage. If you want to set this up with the voice AI, then you can set it up with a voice AI employee. And then what that does, it acts as a receptionist and actually takes those calls, schedules them on your available schedule because it knows your calendar back here. Right here, your calendars for your client are going to be right in there through Google Calendar or whatever they're using, Outlook or whatever. And then to top that off, we can take a payment. So if you need to take payments for a service that you're offering, whether it's you charging $150 to $300 a month for the service, you can do a recurring payment. Or if it's the landscape company and they want to take payments, or the massage therapy, they can take payments because some of those require a deposit to schedule your therapy. So that's how easy it is. And there's great reporting with this to send your clients proof of reporting. There's call reports, there's appointment reports, there's custom Google reports. In their dashboard, they're going to see how many, all their Google Analytics here, including their Google business profile here. So they'll see a big uptick in maps, conversations, website visits. And with that said, they're going to understand that you're offering a service and you can push these reports out monthly. And that's why you can charge that monthly. How do you get to that $10,000 a month? That's when you start upcharging for different services that are as simple to set up as this one that you see right now. So all their conversations will be going into the conversation tab. So if you want to see, or they want to see their conversations or their contacts that are coming in to track, to nurture those leads later, this is where you can upsell. This is where they would go. So it is so simple to do. And it's just a situation where they either throw the money away or throw it to you and get the service set up. So if you want the course, if you want my checklist, if you want everything to get this going, including the step-by-step blueprint, we have a 5-day challenge right now going on, 30 days free. The challenge is absolutely free. And you can start making money with this if you start getting out there and get this service to companies. All you got to do is go down this list, hit more businesses, start calling these companies, or even sending them a message with just a voice message, and set this up for them. It's a no-brainer. For $150, they're going to say yes, yes, yes. So how do you do 300? Get 10 clients at $300 a month. That's $3,000 a month right there. So hope you like it, and we'll see you on the next video.